Everyone, and happy fall. This is Debbie from Project39 Mini Albums, and I have my September recap and October goal setting for our Crafty Goals video. What this is this is a collab. There are about 20 other crafty ladies who set goals for themselves each month, and we come back to you each month and tell you what we were able to do. It's a great way of holding yourself accountable, because now I've put it out into the world that this is what I say I'm going to do. So let's see what I said I was going to do and if I did it. So one of the things was I did have specific paper pads that I wanted to use. And one of the paper pads was this spiced pumpkin. I bought all these paper pads before I went full-time in my RV. And my goal is to use them all up because I want to buy new stuff. And I don't want to buy it until I've used up my old stuff. And you know, every time I see a new video of new stuff coming through, I'm like, man, I really wish I could get that. But anyhow, so I did make an album. Luckily, I had this album pre-made in my stash, so I didn't have to make it, because when I make albums, if I know I'm going to make 6 mini albums in a month, I'll make them all at one time. But I really didn't have that many planned of this size. So, you know, the paper is really cute. And I don't know about you, but I love going out in the fall and taking fall pictures. And I just thought this would be great to be as a backdrop for all those fall pictures that you take. I love this white pumpkin. You know, white pumpkins are really beautiful, and you only see orange all the time. One of my goals for myself was to use all of the cards that come with it. And so it's not that easy to do sometimes. So I just have to force myself to do it. That's a cute journaling card. It matches with this paper. And, you know, just a photo mat. There's the hidden photo mats in this mini album. This opens up like that, so you can get a lot of photos on that grouping of pages. Some journaling cards. You know what's unusual about this album is it's not done in black. I usually do all of my bases in black. This time it's craft cardstock. So pretty simple. Nothing really, you know, not that many flaps and folds. I've just gotten into a little more simpler mini albums. But the paper was just adorable. I mean, who doesn't love that fox? And as a matter of fact, I had this left over because I was going to use this to decorate my RV. Maybe put some 3-dimensional leaves on it. But I ended up making banners, and I have banners all over my RV. There's a video on all the banners I made because I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I had seen other people do hauls on it. And I've made banners before, but I've either cut them with my Cricut or hand cut them. But boy, this made it so much easier. I even had my husband doing some of the die cutting of the plain paper for me. So anyhow, check out that video on the different banners that I've made. Let me clear up these fall leaves. I don't know about you guys, but it's fall where I am. I made 21 cards using the leftover paper, what I hadn't used on the banners in that mini album. And these I'll send out to a charity. You know, just fun things. So one of the things I said I was going to do was use up that spiced pumpkin paper pad, and I did. I also used up some of the paper, and I did a video because I had gotten this leaf die, and I'll of course link that video as well. But they made just such beautiful cards with some of the paper from that paper pad. So check that one out. Another thing I said I wanted to use was this Autumn Dream. And I did. I used up this paper and I made cards with this as well. I don't think I did a video on the cards, but there should be a video on the mini album. And if it's not, it's in my Etsy shop. So I used up that paper pad. So 2 for 2. Yay. Third thing I said I wanted to do was and I'm popping in the pictures, use up my Disney stash. It was part of Christian's Crafty Adventures collab with a couple of other talented people. and I used up all of my papers. I still have a couple of little embellishments to use, but I'm going to keep them until I use that. And I'm going to show you these Halloween banners, so maybe you get some idea. This is also on that banner video I did. I had made this one last year, but I'm going to show you this as I talk about some of my other goals. So I did want to post 15 times on Instagram. You know, social media doesn't come that easy for me, like it might for some of you. It just, you know, it's just a matter of getting out the camera and taking the pictures and making sure they're good and writing something, which it's not all a problem for me. It's just, you know, I don't think of it when I wake up in the morning, oh, I need to post on Instagram. So it really takes me some effort to do all the posts. So I said I was going to post 15 times. I still have another week left, but so far I've only posted 10, so I may or may not make it. I will work on that. And 10 YouTubes, and as of today, I have done 9. I could count this one, but I counted last month's too, so that might be a little cheating. So I'm close, but I'm not there. Another thing that I said I was going to do is make an introductory video for my YouTube channel. I have not done that yet. I know I need to. So I will carry that over for October. One video I did was I collabed with Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl, and she had made these snail mail cards, and I showed a couple of different ones in the video, and I'll link that video. You have to check it out because her project was fabulous, and man, it's given me some great ideas. But so I've made this cute little book, and that goes in this cute little envelope. And that sticks in there. And this is just using up scraps of paper. So this I have an enamel flower. So the person I'm giving it to can peel that off and stick it. And I also included some stickers from the collection. So I don't know about you, but I don't always use stickers that come in a collection. And I like to just give them away to little kids because kids love stickers. And so this is a great way of doing it. You know, you can have these, stick them in your pocket and give it to some good kid in the grocery store if you want to. I don't know. I just thought these were so fun to make and adorable. And it's a great way of using those scraps. And if you wanted to, you could just stick it in the mail. And you have to put this in Alicia's project that inspired me. She put a letter in here. So you don't have to make this for little kids with stickers, but go check that out too, because that was a cool video. So let me show you what I want to do for October. I'm keeping it simple because I just seem to have gone off track, lost my crafting mojo. I think part of it is the weather is beautiful and I'm enjoying the fall leaves. So I'm keeping it real simple for October. I want to use up my Halloween paper stash, and I want to make that introductory video. Anything besides that is going to be a bonus. Let me show you what I have to work with. So I have this Moonlit Manor, which maybe 2 years ago from Michaels. This it looks like I got from Tuesday morning, and I've already opened it up. So I have some of this Doodlebug. I don't think it's the full thing. The thing about this Doodlebug pad is, here, this is a gorgeous page, but you know, when it's this small in the 6x6 paper pad, you lose a lot of the funness. So I really think I'm just going to have to make cards with this. And I still have Halloween cards from last year. I gave a lot of them away to charities, but I still have more and I'm ready to ship them out. This Martha Stewart paper pad is cool, but I think the 12 by 12 was even better. And then this Hocus Pocus, again, it's cool. And I can certainly make a 7x7 mini album with this paper. So I have, what was that, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6x6 paper pads. So that's going to be a challenge. This paper collection. It's open. I think it's still full. It's cute. I mean, it's the traditional black and orange. So I want to use that. And then this Echo Park one is adorable. I love these colors. And then this one I picked up late last year. And you know, if you saw those banner videos, you'll see this would make great banners. But how many banners does one need? I haven't put them for sale on my Etsy site. Do you think I should? So anyhow, the paper's cool. It's big and bold graphics, which if you're going to make a banner, it's perfect for that. And of course, I have tons of black paper and I have a handful of orange paper. And they use embellishments and ribbons. I mean, they're fabulous. Washi tape, ribbons. I mean, I love that. Isn't that cool? Some stickers, flowers, you know, just an assortment. Spiders, I mean, perfect shaker cards, which of course I've used bigger spiders. You have any ideas for me? What can I do with this paper? So I have a 12 by 12 paper pad. And again, I said I can make banners out of that, so that's one thing. But I have 2 paper collections in 5 6x6 paper pads. If you were me, give me ideas. What would you make? Put it in the comments because I'm really stumped on what to make. So that's what I have for you this month. Go ahead and subscribe and like and hit the bell for notifications and stay tuned and see if I can accomplish all of this. So let's see what we can do. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.